This is the sociable weaver. It's a type of bird that is found in the southern areas in Africa, including countries like Namibia, Botswana, and South Africa. Like the name sociable weaver suggests, these birds are highly social animals and are most well known for the absolutely insane nesting complexes that they build. They build these absolutely massive communal nesting complexes that can range up to 20 feet wide and 10 feet tall in some cases, and house up to 100 different breeding pairs and their offspring. The nests themselves can weigh up to 2,000 pounds and are usually permanent on whatever structure that they happen to be built on. Most cases built on trees, but can be built on things like power lines, which can cause issues. It basically functions like a massive apartment complex where each separate nesting unit has its own entrance, sometimes fortified against predators with sticks and like sharp thorns and stuff at the entrances to deter larger animals from entering and messing with the offspring. It also tends to be multi-generational, with a large portion of the birds being related offspring from past generations. They come and nest in the same complex with new partners and all of that. And some of the oldest recorded nests have been used constantly and functioning for close to 200 years. The nests themselves are also entire ecosystems on their own, with organisms other than the sociable weavers inhabiting the nests. Lots of insects and other invertebrates make their homes kind of in the walls, and things like scarab beetles, or more commonly known dung beetles, help to kind of clean out the nests by eating all of the dung and parasites and stuff. Other small bird species distinct from the sociable weavers also use the nest. They tend to hang out on top as like a perch, or even make their nests inside the sociable weaver's nest as well. Larger birds like owls and vultures and falcons also like to hang out on the nest and use it as a perch because it's a very large, high-up structure that has quite a lot of structural stability and makes as a very good perch. Now, it has been recorded that some of these animals are kind of nest parasites and predators of the sociable weavers. Pygmy falcons have been recorded as eating chicks and eggs from the nests, as well as climbing snakes such as boomslangs. They also tend to prey on the weavers as well. But overall, these massive nesting complexes tend to be very, very safe for all of the birds involved, and have just over time grown into an entire functioning ecosystem.